What if I told you JavaScript's most confusing topics were just rooms in a haunted mansion? Welcome to the JavaScript mansion. Every room holds a mystery, but once you master them, nothing will scare you again. Closures are like secret passageways in a room. Even when you leave, you still remember where the hidden message is. Coming up, the prototype hallway, where your objects inherit powers from their ancestors. This keyword is like a magical mirror lake. It shows something different depending on who looks in. In this library, scrolls fly off the shelves to the top. That's hoisting. Functions and variables rise up before you call them. In this hall, your object can inherit traits from its ancestors. That's the prototype chain, passing down power. This room has rules. No wandering variables, no silent fails. Strict mode is like a strict but helpful librarian. Some rooms are nested, some have fake keys. Shadowing and scope determine what's accessible, and what gets overridden. You made it through the mansion. Like this video, comment your most haunted concept, and subscribe for more fearless dev adventures.